Google 502, that's an error. The server encountered a temporary error and could not complete your request. Please try again in 30 seconds. That's all we know. So if you're getting this 502 error, I want to help you fix it. Now, it doesn't matter what browser you're on, but most likely it's going to be on Google Chrome. But again, if you're on Firefox, this should work. First thing I want you to do is just reset your browser, or refresh it rather. So hit the refresh button or just X out of it and then open it back up. That'll refresh it and see if you're able to get in. If that doesn't work, simply look at the time and the date on your web page, on your home page. And so, for example, if it doesn't say, like if we're in 2022 now, if it says 2005, you know you need to click on this and make sure the date, the time code, so if it's PM or AM, check the time zone. Like if you're on the eastern coast, make sure it's on the eastern coast. So make sure this is correct and then see if you're able to get in, because that'll be 80% of the problems with this error, because you have the incorrect time zone and the incorrect time and date. Okay, now after you try that, I want you to check your router. So try a different device on the router, like a smartphone or some other device, and if those aren't working, then you know it's probably not your browser or your computer or your tablet. It's probably that router. So unplug the router from the wall, give it a good 10 minutes, replug it in, and that'll reset it, and then see if that'll work. You might have to call your service provider and have them check and see if there's an outage somewhere. All right, next thing I want you to do is ask your roommates or the people that live with you, are they streaming something? So if they're streaming Netflix or something, it might just be hogging up the broadband. So have them temporarily stop doing what they're doing and then see if you're able to get connected. Next thing I want you to do, what we're going to do is we're going to clear the cache, which is basically the temporary memory of your browser. Now again, this will work with any browser, but most likely you have Google Chrome if you're getting this error message. If you have Firefox or Opera, it's the same concept. So for Google Chrome, we're going to click these three little dots up here. That's the menu button. We're going to go to More Tools, and we're going to click Clear Browsing History, and then we want to check off Cookies and Other Data and Cache Images and Files. Click both of these and click Clear Data. Then X out and see if you're able to get connected. After you've tried that, what I want you to do is you're going to do a system update on your Google Chrome. And again, if you have another browser, you can do an update on them. So for Google Chrome, we're going to click on the menu button again. We're going to go to Help, and then we'll go About Google Chrome. Click on that, and that'll automatically in the center, you'll see it'll do an update. And it could take anywhere from like a few seconds to a minute. Close out your browser, and then see if you're able to get connect. Next, we're going to flush the DNS cache. Again, that's temporary memory in Windows or on your browser. So for Windows, regardless if you have Windows 11, 10, 7, whatever you have, you're going to search for CMD. So on the very bottom left where you got the little Microsoft logo, type CMD, cat Mike David, and then click on Command Prompt. And you're going to do a command. The command is C:, backspace, and this little forward arrow, IPCONFIG, and you're going to do a space, and then /FLUSHDNS, and then hit enter. And that should clear the DNS cache, which is just temporary memory on Windows. But make sure you have a space after the CONFIG or it won't work. Okay, and then after you do that, we're going to do it in the browser. So for example, with Google Chrome, we're going to open up the browser again, and we're going to type Chrome : /net-internals /$DNS, hit enter, and that's going to take you to this page if you're online, Clear Host Cache. Do that, log out, and then see if you're able to get connected to your browser. I hope I helped. Make sure you put in the comment section, this helps me out, to let me know which method worked for you. Type it in, and then leave me a like, and subscribe if you could as well. Alright, thanks so much for watching.